Hi guys, it's July 21st, 2 p.m. Another fucking day, another fucking nightmare of a life that I'm living. I started this thing from Mumbai, or maybe to Mumbai from Delhi actually, if you think about it. And I came to Delhi for an event, and then got back to Mumbai. Came to Delhi again to meet someone. It was good, it was perfect. And I had planned my Southeast Asia trip as I have been talking about. And life had different plans for me in general. It doesn't seem to be working out. And DTDC, a nightmare, a fucking nightmare of a company, a courier company, urgent company. So, story time. It's 2 p.m. right now. I am supposed to be at the airport right now. My flight leaves at 5 to Bangkok, Southeast Asia, and I'm here recording a video. Guess why? So, DTDC, they fucked up. They fucked up real bad. They fucked with my passport real bad. I mean, my passport. It was in Indore. I was in Delhi. I was in Mumbai and I was going to come to Delhi, so it was only fair to like have it couriered to Delhi. And I did that. I got it couriered on a priority mail from an air mail service, DTDC, one of the most, like, I guess, reliable till now company in India. I booked the priority mail on the 16th. 16th ko he it got collected. And then since 17th it is showing on the website that it is in the Delhi hub, the DTDC hub in Delhi. And I was like, on the 18th it was supposed to be delivered. And I was going to reach Delhi on the 18th. So it was only fair for me to like get it here and plan my Southeast Asia trip accordingly with a 3-day buffer, and 21st I can just fly back, fly out. Yeah, that seemed like a plan. 18th को passport आएगा, 21st को मैं निकल जाऊँगा. Sounds like a plan, right? Everything looks great. But DTDC had other plans. So 17th, it supposedly reached the Delhi hub, the airport hub, and 18th it was supposed to be delivered, but it did not get delivered. 19 again, it did not get delivered. I raised some complaints. They were like, it is in Delhi, sir, there is some delay, it will get delivered to you by today, no problem, we promise you 2 hours, 3 hours, it will be done. That was on the 19th. It wasn't delivered. Surely it wasn't delivered because I'm still here. 20th Sunday, no updates, nothing, no contacts, nothing, sab band hai. 21st, today my flight. I woke up at 10, called them, yelled at them, did everything, and they're like, sir, we still need 24 to 48 hours. It is in the Delhi hub. We will get it done. I'm like, bro, I started my corporate journey in that industry. Customer support and shit. I know how it works. I know what the fuck is happening. I checked out of my Airbnb. I stayed extra 2 days there for the sole reason of it being delivered at that address. I paid like so much extra, around 7,000 extra for 2 days to just stay at that place ताकि मेरा package miss ना हो. ऐसा ना हो कि मैं वहाँ नहीं हूँ जब package आया. I did everything because it was my fucking passport. I am nothing without it. I cannot go anywhere without it. And yeah, I woke up, I yelled at them, I went to the Samalka hub, the Delhi hub where it is supposed to be. Reached there and apparently वहाँ पहुँचने से पहले, because गूगल पे कहीं पे भी हब का एड्रेस नहीं है, कस्टमर केयर बहन के लौड़ों के पास ना उनका कॉन्टैक्ट है ना एड्रेस है, कुछ भी नहीं है कस्टमर केयर वालों के पास. कस्टमर केयर इज़ एज गुड एज द वेबसाइट. जो अपडेट वेबसाइट पे है वही कस्टमर सपोर्ट के पास है और किसी के पास नहीं है. How does that work? I have no idea. And yeah, they fucked up. I actually like gave up and I was going to come to this hostel where I am right now. Hide in hostels, looks pretty good. छत पे बैठा हूँ मैं, रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूँ and everything seemed perfect. Perfect तो क्या बोल रहा हूँ मैं, क्यों बोल रहा हूँ मैं ये चीज़? आई एम जस्ट सेइंग इट रॉन्ग. I'm so fucked in my head that I don't have words, like proper words to frame it. I don't know what am I doing. एक रैंडम DTDC ऑफिस पे मैं गया हूँ, वहाँ पे आई एम टॉकिंग टू देम, आई एम आस्किंग देम एंड दे आर लाइक दे हैव वे मोर अपडेट्स देन द फकिंग कस्टमर सर्विस. दे आर लाइक कि सर आपका तो 21st को अपडेट बता रहा है, 17 को तो इंदौर से निकला भी नहीं था जब वो बता रहा है यहाँ पे. हाउ इज़ दैट पॉसिबल? आई वाज लाइक दे आर क्लियरली लाइक व्हाट द फक, DTDC इज़ लाइंग टू अस. I don't know what the fuck was that. So I went to the hub. That person was really nice. He helped me out. He gave me the number. He gave me the address to the hub. I went to the hub. And honestly, hub के मैं अंदर भी नहीं घुसा हूँ. हब के सिक्योरिटी गार्ड के पास इतना इन्फॉर्मेशन था जितना कस्टमर सर्विस पे नहीं था. 4 अलग अलग एजेंट से बात करी है मैंने पिछले 3 दिन में. किसी के पास इतना नॉलेज नहीं था जितना एक सिक्योरिटी गार्ड के पास था. और उस इंसान ने मुझे इतने अलग अलग लेवल के मैनेजर्स से बात करवा दी. टर्न्स आउट द पार्सल नेवर लेफ्ट इंदौर. द पार्सल वॉज ऑफलोडेड बाय सिक्योरिटी इन इंदौर फॉर गॉड नोज वॉट रीजन्स. वो मुझसे पूछ रहे थे कि इसमें कोई ड्रग्स तो नहीं है, कुछ गलत चीज़ें तो नहीं है. हमने पासपोर्ट है ब्रो उसमें. इट्स अ पासपोर्ट विथ माई क्लोथ्स. T-shirts मंगवाए थे मैंने नए. मम्मी को बोला था कि भेज देना. उन्होंने तो पार्सल करा है, उन्होंने तो भेज दिया. And it was like an end-to-end service. They picked it up from my house, from my mom, and then they were supposed to deliver it to me directly. There are nothing. Manual thing was involved. It was supposed to be the company that was supposed to do everything. It did not happen that way. Now it's 2 p.m. I am sitting at a hostel in Delhi with no passport. My flight gone. It will be gone. Definitely I'm not going to make it. The hostel I booked, gone. All non-refundable, paid already. My motivation to even continue the Southeast Asia trip, continue or to begin with, I don't know, gone. It's weird. It's really weird. It's a very weird feeling. I'm really overwhelmed right now. Some people are saying that it's a sign, maybe just give up. Some are saying it's okay, you'll get it someday, whenever you get it, like in a few days, a day or 2 or 3 or maybe whatever, how many days it takes. You book a flight again, you go then. ChatGPT says the same. I don't know. Doesn't feel right. Doesn't feel like it anymore. I don't know why, but I really wanted to go. I really wanted to have this trip. I spoke about it a lot. Even like the DTDC people were like surprised कि भाई एयरमेल नहीं होता है इतना लफड़ा, कैसे हो गया आपके साथ. He tried so much. The security guard tried so much for me. कैब वाले भैया यार इतनी 2 घंटे मेरे साथ रुके हैं वो लिटरली. एंड wow, what do I do? What do I do? What the fuck do I do? I am fucked. And you know the worst part is they're saying that 17th का आपका वो दिखा रहा है, but the thing is that the bag that came in जिसमें बाकी के पार्सल्स थे वो 17 को आ गया, बट आपका पार्सल मिसिंग था, तो वी मार्क्ड इट एज शॉर्ट. आई एम लाइक हु इज़ गोइंग टू टेल मी? It's not anywhere on the website. The customer service did not tell me that. Who was going to tell me that it was marked short? I don't even know what the fuck that means. I mean, now I do, but what the fuck am I supposed to know? How the fuck am I supposed to know what that means? And today, 21st, again the update was marked as short. Where the fuck is the parcel? Spoke to certain people, spoke to some managements. Turns out it's still in Indore, but where in Indore, no idea. What hub, no idea. They're looking into it. I hope. They told me they will look into it. The actual people who I spoke to, not the customer service. The customer service is shit. They're looking into it, they said. I don't know what is up. I don't know what to do. DTDC, you fucked up real bad. फ्लाइट का पैसा गया, होटल्स का पैसा गया, इतने दिन में एयरबीएनबी में रुका था एक्स्ट्रा, वो पैसा गया. मेंटल पीस चुद गई यार. पीपल आर टेलिंग मी ट्विटर पे स्पैम कर दे. आई एम लाइक व्हाट डू आई डू? आई एम आउट ऑफ anything. I'm just, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to say. I'm just living a nightmare right now. And I can't even say like कि ये मेरे साथ हुआ है. Imagine किसी का कुछ important मिस, मेरा important डे मिस हुआ है. मेरा पासपोर्ट चोद दिया तुम लोगों ने भाई. नो आइडिया व्हाट्स अप. अभी पता चला इंदौर में कॉल करा कहीं पे पता करने के लिए, और वो लोग बोलने लगे कि नहीं दिल्ली में ही है, तो फिर क्या करूँगा मैं? You never know. I don't know what's up. No update yet. But the only update is that I'm not going to Southeast Asia, I think. I mean, at least not Bangkok today. I don't know what's for tomorrow. I don't know what's for the day after. Yeah, this is me at 2 p.m. sitting on a hostel terrace, talking in front of my camera, sharing what the fuck happened with me, and it doesn't feel nice. It feels bad. It feels sad. It's not nice, and it shouldn't have happened. Yeah, but it did. कहाँ क्या ऑप्टिमिज्म रखूँ, कहाँ इतना पॉजिटिव जाऊँ मैं. चुद गए हैं, बस चुद गए हैं. चुद गए गुरु मोमेंट हो गया हमारे साथ. I was really excited. Spoke about it a lot in the videos. Told everyone, every friend, everyone who matters. I told them I'm going to Southeast Asia. I'll come back after like a month or so. I'll be different maybe. I don't know what I will be. स्टार्ट ही इतना छूतिया हो रहा है. स्टार्ट तो हो ही नहीं रहा, रोक ही दिया. DTDC, you fucked up bad. And here I am at a hostel terrace at 2 p.m. crying about the passport that never made it. Yep. Thank you.